What's up, YouTube? We're doing a quick review on 3 weed killers. Today I'll be going over what weed killers I'm using, which one is the best, which one works for what I have. So without further ado, we're going to get into this. So the first product is RoundUp. I know a lot of people heard some of the negative impacts of RoundUp on the environment and the human body. Let's hope this formula is much better. I'm sure it's still dangerous. You are required to wear gloves and wash your hands after you use this product. So we're going to give it a shot. This weed killer here says it kills weeds in 3 hours. So this is a 3-hour kill. Actually, I take that back. Well, yes, 3 hours, 10 minutes, rainproof. So basically, it's still active after it rains. The next one is going to be this Walmart brand Eliminator lawn weed killer. It does says it kills up to 200 plus types of weeds. This one here, I'm not sure what the duration of weed kill is, but we're going to see if it kills around the same time as the rest of the products that I have. Before I get started, let's look at some of the ingredients on this. And as you can see, if I can get the zoom in. No, we can't get the good zoom. Anyway, I'm sure most of them have the same active ingredients in them. The next product that I have is basically the friendliest product of them all, and it's just vinegar, salt, and dish soap. And I just made a mixture of half of vinegar, maybe about 3-4 teaspoons of salt, and about 2 squirts of dish liquid. And we're gonna see if this works. This is an online favorite. It's harmless basically to the human body. So without further ado, we're gonna go and test these 3 products here to see which one is the most effective. And actually, this is the cheapest. I would give this at the most. It's free at this point because I have a bottle of vinegar, I have some salt sitting around, and dish soap. So I would say per bottle, maybe a couple pennies. This one here at Walmart, I think it's about $5 to $6. And of course, this is the most expensive for $21. This stuff better work. I don't want to use it, but it's just a review just to see which one works the best. So we're gonna go out there on my backyard and we're gonna try to kill some of these weeds that I've been struggling with. So just to give you guys a heads up, some of the weeds that we have here in Fort Worth, Texas is something that they call Dallas grass. I don't know too much about it. I've heard of crab grass, but never Dallas grass. But anyway, we're gonna pick a spot. I'm gonna pick this spot right here. I've already weed whacked it down, but we're gonna spray this whole area here with the RoundUp. Actually, hold up. Let's get this fluid back in. Just to give all of the products a fair shot. All right, so it's basically simple. You just spray this stuff, and I guess wait for the results. So here's the spray. And it comes with like a motorized nozzle. So I'm just spraying this area here. I'm not gonna go too far, but you gotta remember which area that I sprayed. All right, so that should be good. Actually, let's get work in this area right here. This is a 3-hour process for this product to work. It says 3 hours. I should come back out in 3 hours and we should have some results. I'm actually saturating this real good to give it a fair shot. Alright, so that's pretty much that product. Man, I'm actually soaking this stuff. Alright. RoundUp. Right here. So we're gonna pick another area for the vinegar. Let's see what we got. Actually, I don't know what this is here, but I'm gonna spray this as well. I don't know what type of weed this is, but I'm spraying this down with the vinegar, salt, and dish soap. So we got that spot. Well, I need to pick another spot that's close. All right, let's go right here. So this area here is gonna be what we're gonna use for the vinegar. I mean, it's already dried out, but that doesn't stop this stuff. This stuff comes back. If you don't pull them out of the roots, you're wasting your time. So we're gonna try this. So I'm soaking this actually. This dish soap is used to stick to the plant. So that's basically what the soap is for. It doesn't do anything else but just to help the vinegar and salt stay on the plant so it doesn't wash away or blow away. All right, so we got this area here. Man, I'm soaking this stuff. All right, there's the vinegar and water. All right, the next product is going to be this Eliminator Walmart product. Now this product, it requires, it's a concentrate, so it requires the hose. Let me find a spot. Let's see what we got here. Let's try right here. I'm gonna cut this on. Let me get this thing cut off. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna soak this area here with this Eliminator, Walmart brand. Man, this stuff coming out good. So far, this is the best flow right now. It got a funny smell to it. It actually smells like flea killer, but I didn't get the active ingredients. But anyway, we're spraying this stuff down. As you can see, it is like a concentrate. All right. Now that's a disadvantage with this stuff here. You will get blowback, depending on which side of the wind you're standing on. All right. That's already a negative. It's hard to cut off. All right. Anyway, but we're gonna keep that here for the Eliminator. So we got the Eliminator, which is the Walmart brand. We got the RoundUp, which is the most harmful at this point. I'm not sure about the Eliminator. And we got the Eco Bio-Friendly. I wouldn't drink all three of these together, but I'm sure the vinegar and salt won't hurt. So we're gonna come back in 3 hours and see what happens.
24 hours later.
Okay, it's been 24 hours since I've done the weed killer comparison. And we're gonna go back and look and see the results of the three. We have the Walmart brand, which is the Eliminator. And this is the area that I've done. And I must say, I don't see any change. I still see a lot of green. It was saturated pretty good. So this area, no change so far. So not a lot here. So let's go over to the RoundUp. All right, the RoundUp area. So the RoundUp area got some brown spotting, but not that much visually results compared to what they said on the bottle. It's 3 hours. I should see something. So not that much here to see. It was already dried out by the sun, but the chemical should have actually dehydrated these weeds. Not that much. All right, let's go over to the vinegar, salt, and dish soap. Now this is a big difference. I mean, this stuff looks totally dried out. There's some green spots, but you can see a little bit more browning real fast. Oh yeah, that stuff's drying out fast. So as you can see, seems like the vinegar, salt, and dish soap does the trick. I did spray another area, which was this weed, this weird looking weed. And look, this is pretty much it's shriveled up. I don't know, it's pretty much dead almost. Actually, it's going. Now compared to this one, as you can see, this is what it was yesterday. And here's what it looks like now, the one I sprayed with the vinegar, salt, and dish soap. So I'm probably just gonna keep using that. Now I also sprayed this thing right here an hour later yesterday. It's another weed. This thing is pretty much dying as well. So out of all three of these, I would recommend using the vinegar, salt, and dish soap. The results are very visible. It's actually cheaper, and it's not as harmful as these other two products. Now I wouldn't be spraying this on your actual lawn because I'm sure it'll kill grass as well, but the winner is the vinegar, salt, and dish soap. Let's shake that up a little bit more, make sure you keep it. So I'm probably going to be spraying a lot more of this with an actual pump sprayer and just go ahead and kill a lot of these weeds, get them to start dying out now. So if you guys got any other products you would like me to try, leave a comment. The Roundup did a good job, but I think it's going to take a lot more Roundup on the lawn, which is going to get expensive for an acre. I wouldn't recommend that. The Walmart brand, I'm going to give it another shot as well, do a little bit more soaking just to see. I'm going to keep this area sprayed. I'm going to give it another shot, but it's not as effective as the salt, vinegar, and dish soap. So yeah, YouTube, that's it. The winner is the homemade weed killer. Try it at home. If you guys got any other homemade weed killers, send me a message or a comment so I can do that as well. But right now we're just trying, and I'm amazed at this right here. I mean, this patch is just, it's done. Like it didn't have a chance, really. I'm going to continue doing that. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like. I'm going to be doing more videos on homemade pesticides. I'm not doing this to actually look to kill any insects. Only the ones that made their way inside the house. Those are the ones that have to get exterminated. So be doing that real soon. But once again, thanks for watching.